Hello students, in this video we are going to learn how to find the LCM of 32, 24 and 48. We will be using the prime factorization method for finding the LCM of the three numbers. In prime factorization method we divide the number using prime numbers. So we are going to find the LCM using a single ladder method. In this we are going to write the three numbers in a single ladder and we'll divide all the three numbers together. So I'm going to write first few prime numbers here on the right hand side of the board so that it is easy to find the factors to divide. So 2, 3, 5, 7, 11 are first few prime numbers. As we see that all the three numbers are even numbers, we can use 2 to divide the three numbers. 2 times 1 is 2, 1 is remainder, this becomes 12, 2 times 6 is 12. Next we'll divide 24, 2 times 1 is 2 and 2 times 2 is 4. Next we'll divide 48, 2 times 2 is 4 and 2 times 4 is 8. Now again we got all the three numbers even, so we can use 2 as the prime divisor. 2 times 8 is 16, 2 times 6 is 12 and 2 times 1 is 2, 2 times 2 is 4. Now 2 times 4 is 8, 2 times 3 is 6 and 2 times 6 is 12. Again we can use 2 to divide 4 and 6 and 3 is not divisible by 2, so we are going to write it as is. So 2 times 2 is 4, 3 will remain as is and 2 times 3 is 6. Again we can use 2 to divide 2, 2 times 1 is 2 and 3 will be as is. Now we can use 3 to divide 3. So 3 times 1 is 3 and 3 times 1 is 3. All the numbers are fully divided. Now to find the LCM, we are going to take the product of all the numbers which are on the left hand side of the ladder. So 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 times 3 will be the LCM of the three numbers. So 2 times 2 is 4, 4 times 2 is 8, 8 times 2 is 16, 16 times 2 is 32 and 32 times 3 will be 96. So the LCM of the three numbers is 96. So this is how, by using the prime factorization method, we can find the LCM of three numbers. I hope this video is helpful to you. If you like the video, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel for more math videos. Thanks for watching.